Transit mixer.
మీరు అటు పోదురండి ఇంకా 14.
Mixing time. Batching plant is a device that combines various ingredients to form concrete. Some of these inputs include sand, water aggregate, fly ash, and mixture cement. There are two types of batching plants: ready mix plants and central mix plant. Ready mix plant combine all ingredients except for water at the concrete plant. This mixture then discharged into the ready mix truck. Water is then added to the mix in the truck and mixed during the transport to the job site. Central mix plant combines all the ingredients plus water at the central location. The final product is then transported to the job site. Since all the ingredients mixing is done in a central location and is computer assisted to ensure uniformity of product. A temporary batch plant can be constructed at large job site. A concrete plant becomes central mix with the addition of a concrete aggregate batcher. Aggregate batching system includes aggregate supply system, weighing system, and electrical control system. The feeding device is driven by conveyor belt. Conveyor belt.
created using Powtoon.